Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change ownership of AirPods and turn off the location on those AirPods. Now, if you're getting ready to sell or give away AirPods, or you just got new AirPods and you want to make sure they can't be tracked from the previous owner, the first thing we're going to do is take those AirPods and open them up. And on your iPhone, let's swipe until we get to the app library. And within the app library, we're going to search for Find My and open that up. Now within Find My, if these are your AirPods, you should turn off the location and remove those from the Find My app before you get ready to sell or give them away. I'll also walk you through the steps if they're not yours, you just got them from Craigslist or eBay or whatever. Let's tap on Devices here, and you can see it says Trevor's AirPods Pro. I can tap on that. And now I'm going to swipe up, and from here at the very bottom, you can see remove. I can just tap on remove here. And then you can see it says I can remove them from my Apple account and unpair them. Just tap on that remove button and then hit remove, and you will have removed the location of those AirPods so they can't be tracked anymore. However, I would also recommend removing them from your device itself. So from here, let's tap on settings. Let me go back to the beginning of my settings. Once you go to the beginning of your settings, make sure these AirPods are open, and let's tap on Bluetooth, and there are the AirPods Pro. Let's just tap on the little I right next to it. Scroll down to the bottom. You can see at the very bottom is forget this device. I can tap on that and just hit forget this device, and it will remove this from my account. Just like that. Now, let's say these aren't your old AirPod Pro that you're selling or giving away, but instead of that, you just got them from eBay or a friend or something like that. We can always factory reset them. To be able to do that, we need to open the case lid. And what you're going to do after you open them up is look on the very back. You can see here, let me flip these around. You can see that little silver hinge, and below it is a white button. It's kind of hard to see, but just look for that white button. I'll show you steps to do if you don't see that white button in the back. But essentially what we're going to do, let me flip these around, is open them up and press that white button on the back. Now, as I press that white button, you'll be able to see that white light starts to blink, but we're going to continue to hold it. It takes about 15 seconds, and you're going to look to see if that white light eventually turns amber, just like that. It turns amber and then goes back to being white. That means your AirPods are factory reset or AirPods Pro. So I can open them up, and it just says generically AirPods Pro. Now, if you have a newer set of AirPods, instead of that, you can see newer AirPods have the button in the front here instead of in the back. So what you're going to do is it walks you through, open them up. You're going to double tap on the front, wait a few seconds, double tap again, wait a few seconds, and then double tap a third time, and you'll be able to see that light should switch to amber, indicating that the AirPods or AirPods Pro have been reset. They're good to give away or to have yourself have them without the old owner being able to track them. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.